Hi guys, I'm Katie Russell. I am a marketing strategist here at Frenetics, and today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of an editorial calendar. An editorial calendar is a dynamic internal document that helps you visualize and organize all of your content. I use mine every single day, and here's why. It keeps me organized and helps save time by having everything mapped out. I know what posts are coming up, what topics I need to be writing on. I can start researching those topics and put little notes into the calendar so that when I sit down and write, I'm ready to go. Another reason is that it helps you plan for the unexpected. Things happen. Breaking news happens and you need to get a post out quickly and you need to move other posts around. When you have that visual, it's really easy to shuffle things instead of just trying to remember off of the fly. And the third biggest reason is to categorize your blog posts. Using the analytics of how well your posts are performing, you can start to create categories. The ones that are performing best, you'll obviously prioritize. Ones that are not really resonating with your readers, well, maybe you find new topics and go in a different direction. It's great to be able to visually see those laid out and to start grouping your posts by these categories. If you need help getting started using an editorial calendar, visit us at Frenetics.com. We're happy to help you.